Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect your SELPHY CP1500 to a Wi-Fi. So it's going to be extremely simple if you have a WPS compatible router. It's going to look something like this, but first things first, let's refer to the Wi-Fi. Now navigate through Wi-Fi setting, click connection, click other, and then of course via wireless router, and then we have the find wireless router right here. But if your router supports WPS connection, you could just click on it. But since we are using Wi-Fi, you want to select the wireless routers. Now you want to select the router that you want to connect onto, and then of course from there enter the password for that specific Wi-Fi. And right after, confirm that SELPHY is now connected by pressing OK. Check your router name, and simply from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.